Okay, so the same image, I'm going to show you this. Okay, it's very important that you learn color, color grading and color correction, how to just see the outcome and how it's going to look. Okay, so let's move to the filter and the camera raw. This is my favorite place. I used to grade all the time, and it saved me a lot of time. I don't know why. I'm not that used to Lightroom, but I'm gonna very soon start working on those stuffs. Okay, so but it's so similar to Lightroom. Sorry, Lightroom. Okay, so this is the image, and I'm going to show you the process how to start in working on it and see the outcome and know how the result is going to be. Okay, so first here is how it's going to start it. Okay, so move to the color mixer, and always change the um the HL, the HSL, then change it to color. I love this process. It's saving me a lot of time. So okay, let's move to the red and just increase it. You can see anywhere, just for said. Okay, so let me just see and push this a little, and you can just make it more here, more pink from like, okay, but not too much is going to affect it. So let's just be around like 50. Okay, and then here is there. I'll have it be a bit some 40, and here will be zero. Here will be zero. Okay, so let's move to the orange and increase. This is going to bring the skin tone. Okay, this is how the skin tone is going to be. Okay, and you're going to push this a little bit here, not too much. Anytime you just work on those process, check the before and after, and move to the yellow, and let's see where it's just affected. Here, and here. You can see. Okay, and then try to push it around this side. Excuse me, to this side. Okay, and increase the luminous. Okay, to just make it a little brighter. And here is the green. Okay, so push it the green. Let's make it to 75. And here, okay, and here 36. And let's move to this one, and let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, you can see here and here. Just push it, and you can see the changes. Okay, yeah. So I just love to make it to 49 here, and here 38, and I move to here, and let's see how it's just affecting it. Okay, so I just want to move it to 74, and here 57. Okay, so this is how you're going to work on the process and get the results. Yeah, here's going to affect it. You can see the background. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to 43 and move to the side too, and just see where it's just affecting. Okay, so here will be 24. Okay, so when I really check it before and after, you can see, yeah, you can see the results. And let's move to the basic. And when you reach the basic, make sure you push the black around here, and the contrast. So it's gonna give you the retouch form, and that's how it works. And here it's going to move to the shadow and move it to 21, 32, and then here to, you can see, and just right here to this level 29. Okay, so let's see the before and after. Okay, so when it's done, you just increase it more, and here more, and just reduce this a little bit. Okay, and here the vibrance to this level to get, you can make it to like this, okay, but I just prefer to make it cool from like this. You can see, and you can just make the tone, okay, and increase this a little bit, and let's check it before and after. Okay, so to achieve something like this, you need to practice more and make sure you get the results you just need, and that's how it works. Then you click OK, boom, as you can see, there's 100% just done, and it's so great. So guys, subscribe to it, and I'm gonna show you how to deal with those stuffs. See you for the next video. Bye.